goodness, the stock market is rigged. Today, 11:20, Wall Street pulled off one of their favorite tricks, which is textbook mean reversion. Come down. Oh my gosh, it's going down, it's going down. And then they rip this thing back to the blue. We're telling you right here in the chart, don't chase. Mean reversion to the blue line, which means that's what happened right there. Wait until 1300 to trade. 1300, scoot back, is here. Like, hey, you can trade any of these. You lose, that's fine. You come back here, you're getting a KTR, you're getting a bull bomb, 11% drawdown, 188% max gain, 14% drawdown, 179% max gain. That's fantastic. You get more bulls supporting the move higher. Both of these go 100% without a 20% drawdown. Because why? This thing just ripped right back to the blue. So if you're watching this for the first time or you're just out there trying to learn the system, here's what's important. First, we go to the open. Let's go a little CTE. 1030, check. We are $4.53 down from the blue line. This is in the red area, right? This is in the red. And this is the remarkable thing here. We're telling you, let's just pull up bulls only. Let's turn off the returns. We're telling you right here, 100% win rates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every single one of them return 100%. This one's absolutely perfect. This one, oh, that's perfect too. This one, big drawdown, but it's still won. Every single 100% win rate, won right there. Why? How does that happen? Why does that happen? Because it is extremely rare to get this low this early in the session, okay? We don't expect the move to keep going lower, deeper into the red, unless you see this purple line right up here, unless volume keeps going up. So you'll notice you get the small spike, and then it just goes down the remainder of the session. Outline of the chart is red. What does that mean? That means mean reversion. And you have two excellent entries. The KTRs here, these are fantastic. And then down here again. That is it. That is used rig. That is mean reversion. That was the session. Extremely similar. The only difference is, hey, 1030, you are lower and volume is much lower. I'm like, this is the thing. When you see volume like this, it's only at 87%. It's not going higher. You got to think mean reversion. Like, Wall Street is not actively trading tons of options. That means the robot algos are in control and the move is not going to continue. Now, they made it look like a couple times that it was gonna fly. But that's the middle. They crushed people in the middle, and they crushed all of these traders, right? They crushed them. But what happens? 1300. Wait until 1300 to trade. Okay, let's say you lost on this, broke even, lost 20%. If you take KTR, what? 254% buying and holding until the end of the session. The drawdown is 5.41%. I mean, it just goes. And that's part of, hey, when you're in a trade, you want to lose fast, win slow. All we mean by that is, hey, you can lose both of these fast. 40% drawdown, no point in sticking through it. Here, win slow means you're hitting 100% right about here, right? Because you're getting one strike. Hold it. Let it stomp you out. And it doesn't. It just goes, and you need to optimize for when this happens. let your winners run. And this was absolutely beautiful on QQQ. Now, IWM, slightly different. And this is the thing here. So normally it's a 3-strike rule. IWM is a 2-strike rule. It only costs $230.64 or $230 per share of the Russell ETF. 2 strikes is basically the limit. Look what happens. It bounces right at 2, right before 2. Right? Whenever you see this yellow area on the chart, if it doesn't nuke through it, like immediately, it's going to bounce, especially early. And this KTR right here, just, wow. A little bit of a drawdown, 300% max gain, buying and holding till the end. So this is basically algorithmic terrorism. But here's how to trade it, right? All you need to do is think down move. This is what? CTE, check, 1030. Okay, we're -1. That's bearish, right? As soon as you get that, what do you want? Oh, it's like you want to take bears, but you want it at the strike. The strike and the blue line are basically the same place. You could have taken this one, or you take it at KTR. You're getting no drawdown, and you're getting 138% to right here. Bang. And that's following the system. That is 1030 check. Okay, it's bearish, -1.14. Trade, bears, at the blue, right above the strike. You get it. You know, this thing bounces, it comes back, it just ping-pongs. And the only difference between everything else, or between SPY and QQQ and IWM today, IWM closes higher. Why? Closes above the blue. Because we got back to it. It's a little bit more of a difficult session, but we're telling you that right here. Nightmare mode. It's going to be difficult to return 100%. We're also telling you mean reversion. And what happened? You mean reverted right to the blue line. The most important thing, the only lesson here, unless volume is over 110, 120% and going up, do not expect the move to continue. And this is a down move. And guess what? We went right back up. It's the same thing when you're going higher and you're +3, +4, and then you come back to the blue. You want volume to keep going if price is going to keep going. That didn't happen today, and look how we ended. That's the market. That's Wall Street. Now you can copy trade them with rigged AI.